Hey guys, and welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create copyright-free music using Suno AI in an easy and simple way. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open up the Suno AI homepage, then click on Create. Here on the side, type out your song description, and right next to it, you can choose the audio input from this button. You can either upload your own audio or set a custom one. Next, click on the Lyrics button, and right here, you can add your song's lyrics. Below that, you'll see different music styles. Choose the one you want for your track. Then, give your song a title and hit Create. Wait a few seconds while Suno AI generates your song. Once it's done, click on the three dots next to the track and select Download. Now you've got your song ready. You can head over to YouTube and upload it. After uploading, make sure to check if it's copyright-free, just to be safe. And that's it. Your copyright-free music is ready to use anywhere you want. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.